Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So we're going to be doing a comparison between the standard light bulb for a high beam that comes with the 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. It's a H7 bulb, 55 watts, and we're going to compare it to a Phillips H7 Extreme Vision bulb. So this is what it looks like on high with the standard bulbs. So now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to change the bulb, and I'll come back and we'll compare and see if it's that much brighter or not. Alright, we're back. So these are the new high beams. The Phillips Extreme Vision. 130 plus more brightness. Before, when you did the high beams, both lights were pretty much the same brightness looking. Now, as you can see, they are a lot brighter. So I'll have to do a road test to see how far they shoot. But in the garage here, they look brighter as well. So pretty cool little improvement that'll help you see better while you're driving. If you guys have any questions about these bulbs, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.